Check it out. This one right here, it needs no introduction, folks. Hey, today we finna do shrimp fried rice. Let's get it. Okay, so look, you guys, like flew over the ingredients, right? What I love about having, doing any type of fried rice, listen, you probably got everything inside of your refrigerator and your freezer already, right? We all probably have veggies and, things like that. The rest of the ingredients is like readily available throughout everybody should be able to get them. But you wanna know what the real level up is? Look, today I'm gonna be putting this in there. This here, this is the flavor. Okay, so what you did was you saw me go ahead and cube down, my bacon flavored Spam. This right here is like a level up. You're looking for like that ooey, that flavor right there. This is it right here. Now, I can see I'm up to temp. I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding some of this to it now. Right? Now look, I'm using hex-clad, pots, pans. Obviously this is my wok right here. But one of the things about this is I can tell you I don't have to use, wooden or bamboo utensils, right? Hey, you can use metal utensils. They are metal utensil safe. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in here. It's not even enough to save. You know what I mean? So we're gonna just go ahead and start this process of getting this browned. When it comes to my Spam, I want it to brown up, right? But I don't want it to brown completely, right? So while this is cooking, we're gonna multitask. I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp now. What we're doing is we're getting our flavors together. You know what I mean? Look, we're building a real profile, folks. Once your shrimp is ready, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and we just wanna take it out. We're gonna set this off to the side. Now we're getting ready to start building some real flavor. I done cleaned out everything, wiped it down. Now we're getting ready to go, right? So now I'm gonna go add my sesame oil, my ginger, right? Kind of like move this around. I got a little heat in my pan, my wok. And now we're gonna come with our garlic. Get this loaded up. Let's go ahead and squeeze this and get this pressed and minced. Right, and then we just want to move this around just like this. Now we'll come with our frozen veggies. What I do is I give you guys a guideline about how much you should use. You know what I mean? It's really up to you. How much veggie do you like to have in your rice? You like a lot, you can add it all. If you want less, you just use what you need as you go, right? So we'll cook these down till these get a little, soft, maybe like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we go from there. So look, it's been about 3 minutes. I want you to take a look at what I'm doing right here. Look, I'm gonna move everything over here to the side, right? Now look, we cooking with like a good medium, working our way to medium high, as far as the heat goes, right? So I'm gonna move this over here like that. Now we're gonna introduce our eggs. So we'll just put this over here like this. Right? And I'll start cracking my eggs right here in the inside. And now what we'll do is we'll just scramble right here. Okay, so once your eggs are done, what you want to do is just go ahead and mix it together, just like what you see here. Look at that right there. Actually, that's good right there by itself, isn't it, folks? Oh, I'm out here being wild with it. Right? Now we're gonna go ahead and bring back our Spam, and our shrimp. Start working this and getting this together. You guys should be able to see it with your mind and see how it's coming together. And one thing I do like about food too, like it's almost like when you become a chef in your kitchen, and you making something, it's really the colors. Look at that. You know what I mean? That it just makes you proud. It's almost like you're like an artist, So, just keep it going just like that. You can see those eggs. You can see your veggies, right? You can see that Spam. And I gotta watch what I'm saying, because you know what? My mouth is watering. you should be left with just 3 ingredients. Remember how we like lined out everything in the very beginning, right? So now we just add all of this into that along with our rice. I'm gonna start with my rice, right? Remember, this is day-old rice. Actually, to be honest with you, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is like 2-day-old rice, you know what I mean? I keep rice at the ready here at the house. You know what I mean? So just put about 3 cups. Let's just work this in here and see where we at. All right? Even before I go ahead and put my, you know, my ooh-wee on here, I just want to see where it's at. I'm looking at it now. I think it'll take 4. Right? Now that I hit it there, before I start mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding this. You know what I mean? We just pour this over the top just like that. Right? Let's get it all in there. Now we go ahead and just mix. We let the heat and everything else start warming up our rice, right? We're using hex clad, nothing is sticking, right? And then you can see rice was white, right? If you go ahead and take a look at it right now, as it started mixing with the soy and all the rest of the sauces, look at the color as it changed. You know what I mean? This is what you want. And you can just see and make sure that you've been, you know, doing it properly and getting it all mixed. But that right there, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my fire off. It's shrimp fried rice with AB's level up. You know, we put that Spam in there. You know what I mean? Oh, I forgot to say this part too. It was bacon flavored. Okay, so you guys just seen how it all came together. It almost like come together like magic, right? But I can't really take no credit for it. Look, this is nothing but a stir fry, right? Super simple. We use like day-old rice, you know what I mean? A lot of people say like stale rice or whatever. It's just day-old rice. That's what you want to get. And then if you want to take a look at something right here, I'm gonna hold it up like this and I'm gonna drop it. Look, you can see that it's not gummy. You know what I mean? That's when you do your rice and you do, you know, you use the proper rice. You know what I mean? That's long grain. You know what I mean? It just happened to be a couple of days old, you know what I mean? And it works out just fine. Then when you cook it the way I show you guys, it turns out just great. Now listen, I done already tasted some of this and it was fine for me. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and just get me a little bit like this. And I put a lot of shrimp in there, but the main thing is what you can taste when you taste it, you can taste that Spam, man. And then having it like, you know, like a flavor Spam, that's just like a level up. Everybody not gonna have that. I'm just giving you guys some exposure because I grew up with the Spam, didn't even know that they had all these different flavors, but when I saw bacon, something went off and everybody in the store started looking at me and that was my bell going off. Oh yeah, we finna level this up. So we did all of that. We cleared some of the things that we have already that's in the refrigerator anyway, and our freezer. And I feel like I'm about to over talk, so I'm about to eat, folks. Look at that right there. I got a couple pieces of shrimp on there. Cheers. That right there, all I can tell you is, listen, I don't want to like act like I done did something like reinvented the wheel or nothing like that. Look, this is just like great, especially if you got a family. You know what I mean? 4 cups of rice, this is like a filler. You know, you can send everybody to their bedroom, everybody can go watch TV, and they can get a nice meal. And then if anybody need to hit it with some soy sauce, let them hit it with their own individual bowl, right? And then my suggestion to everybody is use that low sodium, you know, that 33% less sodium when it comes to your soy, and you know, save your family. So listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And check this out, folks. I'm finna settle in, eat this right now, and relax. I'm out.